Welcome back. It ain't even funny, if I'm honest. But I think it's May 24th, 2022. I'll let you know how. We've just arrived in Marbella. I'll let you know all about it in the coming vlogs. We're back, baby. Bop! Got my shorts. I was lucky I filmed that. This is my room in Marbella. So I arrived here at 2 o'clock yesterday in the morning, and I'm not sure, we might be staying here again, but it's all a long story, but we'll get there. Nothing like arriving anywhere. You got a fucking Scooby-Doo. But we're just having a little stroll about today and gathering our thoughts. Near my hotel. Got the old horses up, haven't they? Sorry. We just plotted up in this little park for a bit. I had an apartment, I've left my luggage there. I tried to book one apartment, a skull one, 300 quid, beachfront, they wouldn't do it. I've just tried to do it on booking.com with a different one. I think we've done it, so... Right. As I said, after a little scare, I didn't think we was getting the apartment. Keys weren't there, but apparently we're on the top floor and we've got an amazing view. 911 we're looking for. Let's do this together. Alright, so don't judge, it does look a shit up just in the tight, but that's all I've seen. Let's do this. Oh, that'll do. What the fuck? Wait, this'll do. This'll do, bruv. This'll do. Hang on, what's this? What's that? What the this'll do? Wait, it's a bit like dated and that. But that will do! What? That will do, man! That's a fucking... Whoa! Fucking windy up here, boy. Blow me off the old fucking room, boy. That, whoa. That will fucking do, boy. Wallop! Oh, that's me for 3 days. What am I paying, bitch? Alright, we feel a little bit more alive today, although it's 12:05 and we're just going out. The palm trees, they don't look like they're windy, so we might be able to hit down a bit, but I've got to eat. Let's see if we can make a vlog and start getting, I don't know, just start filming stuff. Baked potato. Come out of the hotel. Little Irish bar. There's a park we've been cotching in. In fact, hang on, the beach is there. Let's go to the beach. One sec. That little box down here, eh? First time I've touched the sand since I've been here. Beautiful. A little bit out there. Have a little pop up there, haven't we? Bit dodgy, but I'm obviously going out there, innit? Whoa. Whoa. Ow! Oh, I've got a broken toe and I just stepped on it bad. Ow! Ow! Shit! The only shoes I can wear without killing me feet. Oh man, my fucking foot is killing me. It's from all the carnage 2 days before. Oh shit. Yeah, now it's our hotel. Might as well bang on me. I think we'll just come off the Arch Street. And I think Orange is Square. I did come here yesterday, but I think some vitamins or something. Pretty nice for it, isn't it? They do churros. I'm going back there in a bit. Follow. Orange Square. The centre in Old Town. You know what that is? It's weird, isn't it? Right in the front of a building. Maybe it's like listed as some sort of like, I don't know. Maybe they were on a war once. Little beach. Of course, the looky men are here. What's Gabba's coming now? Bolt. The bar unbeatable. Ah. Holy shit. You open all day? Are you open all day, my friend?
Yes.
Do you open all day?
No,
Oh. No worries. No speak English. Sounds like English to me, cunt. Why not? Pretty cool place. I just see a sign saying pint of euros, £3. Pint, €3.
€3 for the pint.
I'll have one of those.
One. Sit
One.
on the table. It's coming for you.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. It's on me. Don't worry.
It's for me.
Are you good?
Fine.
Yeah.
Good, that's fine.
I'll sit outside. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. Good idea, Rob. I think right there, isn't it? €3, why not? Right, so it's I've almost run 20 minutes and it's still 3 miles from Puerto Banús. Fuck me. Fucking water mussels everywhere.